Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imam Aditya. In this video, I will explain about invoice, order, and negotiation letter. Invoice letter. Definition of invoice letter. An invoice is a written document that contains a debt collection letter. This letter is usually given by the seller to the buyer as a debtor. In the format of this letter, it's not much different from the factor, namely it contains the name of the product, the price to be paid, and the date of purchase of the goods. Usually this invoice letter is made in 3 copies. Usually the original file will be stored in the company. Explain that the 3 copies were given to one to the buyer, one to the seller, and the last one as a financial file. Invoice letter function. In general, the use of invoice is to collect debt for purchase made by a consumer. So the following are some of the use of an invoice letter. 1. As an information about an item purchased by a consumer. 2. As an information how much bills and payments must be paid by consumer. 3. As a reference if the lease joint will be sold again to another party. 4. As a reference to add the transaction to the financial books. 5. In certain case, the invoice letter can be used as a tax invoice. 6. Become a reference if an error occurs in the delivery of goods or an error in calculating to total bill. How to create an invoice letter? A. Make your invoice look professional. The first step is to put together your invoice. B. Clearly mark your invoice. C. Add company name and information. D. Write a description of the goods or service you're charging for. E. Don't forget the dates. F. Add up the money out. G. Mention payment terms. Order letter. Definition of order letter. An order letter is an order letter addressed to a seller from a buyer to order goods in sufficient quantities. Through this letter, we can avoid ordering goods that are not in accordance with what we want to order. Delivery times that are not according to schedule or not scheduled, as well as expect that have been determined but do not meet or do not fulfill. The order letter must use clear language and can be understood by the seller so that there is no misunderstanding in the delivery of goods. Order letter writing tips. A. Write your letter properly. B. Make sure your letter use formal and easy to understand language so that readers don't find it difficult to understand the contents of the letter. C. Make sure your letter doesn't get the slightest error. D. Avoid mistakes in spelling and grammar. E. Do not deviate from the topic discussed when writing a letter of request. F. Write the letter in a polite and courteous language. Things to be aware when writing an order letter. A. Order letter should be shown to someone who has responsibility for carrying out orders. B. Include all the terms and conditions that have been agreed upon by both parties involved. C. This letter must be typed because this letter is purely an official letter. There is no need to use too many adjectives in the letter because the letter is purely for an order that has been placed. The letter must include all the details related to the order. For example, the number of goods, the price of the goods, and other terms. Negotiation letter. Negotiation is an interaction by which two people or gathering settle classes and consent to bring down their assumption to concur at a typical point. This is a typical overall cycle by which financial specialists think twice about their condition and try to not to have a conflict or debate. While doing a business together, it's entirely feasible for the two players to expect their own benefit and need the other party to consider that their condition. This occasionally cause a tough spot where having this sort of contrast unfit to do business or make an arrangement. So there is example of negotiation letter. I think that's all material from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.